We had just completed our strategic planning process, and we got a lot of real good ideas, and we broke them back into where we need to start and what we do to get into the market. But we didn't have the capabilities of understanding kind of where to go in that market. Patrick told us about economic gardening, and it seemed to be a real good fit because we were looking at some markets that could have a real big impact on our organization. But we just didn't have the resources to figure out which one of these directions would be best suited for us. They all looked pretty good, and probably any one of them would have worked well, but how do you get the most for your effort? And I think there were some options and there were some things in there that maybe we couldn't get to. What we needed then was not only what market, but particularly what that market wants so we could best meet the needs of that market. And now we're faced with, okay, which way do we go? And you can help us. What they were able to provide was some very good market information about something that was interesting to us. It really was a team. We knew the nuances. They helped us find a direction, and putting that together, we were working with them, and we got ownership in where we're going. As we look at these areas, this is very significant to us because some of these areas could cause significant growth or could impact us with significant growth for our company. So it's important, again, that we pick that right path. Here's an example. We're talking a little bit about working on helping us define, maybe broaden our market for our control centers, and those are the buildings that are put on asphalt sites. Is there a broader market for those units? We understand the asphalt industry, but is there something else out there? And this is where Advanced Iowa, I think, can help us understand and get started. And then once we do identify them, how do we attack that market? Where is the best area for us? What's our niche in that market? We're looking at adding some sales organization in the West Coast. And how do we take a look at what kind of business there would be in the West Coast? Where do we look at that? And you were very helpful in giving us some parameters that we worked on to look at. Here's what the potential might be in the West Coast, and here's what maybe we could have put together as a rough business plan to make that happen. When we look to the future, this is not our playground because, yeah, we know how to do things today. But as business changes, and it's changing rapidly, Advanced Iowa helps us find that path to move us in the best direction for us. The value is helping us identify the right target and helping us move in the right direction, find the right road to get there. And I think for organizations that are looking and understand the value of hey, let's take a look at what's our vision and how do we really move in that direction, how do we get to where we want to go, I think your organization can do a lot of excellent help in helping that organization get there.